Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask in the world. Today we are looking specifically at 510K mask. What is that? It's an FDA listed mask that has passed a ton of tests and that the FDA has verified. Today we're looking at the NORDIWELL mask. We actually couldn't find this on Amazon, but we specifically reached out to all the manufacturers that are on the FDA's 510K list to get a mask of theirs to test. Because remember, our mission is to test every single mask that exists. This is the NORDIWELL medical face mask, ASTM level 3. That's exactly what this machine is made to test. So let's get it opened. Ooh, I like that. It's like individually packaged, and then it's got this like, oh, that's nice. That's nice. Wow, and they got their name right on there and everything. You doing okay today, Chuck? I'm NORDIWELL. This is like one of the thickest masks I've ever had in the clamp. And let her rip. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency Machine. We are doing the ASTM level 3 test, which they are claiming that they pass on the box. It's right there. ASTM level 3, PFE 98%. So this should say 98% or better. Trying to see if they're making any other claims on here. This is a cleared mask. FDA does not approve masks, they clear them. And this is an FDA cleared mask. It is like the fabric quality is insane on this. It's super thick. We've got NORDIWELL right up there. Combat. Okay, what are we combating? These ear loops they're like the biggest I've seen. I mean, I can pull them apart, but they could be elastic head straps for crying out loud. That's really good. Construction is phenomenal. Super thick outer layer here. Breathing in, man, it just feels like I'm getting a great seal on this. It just feels like this is one of the most substantial surgical masks I've ever worn. But it's very thick. It's almost too thick. And it smells like slightly of plastic. I would call this, it's like a Chinese polypropylene smell, but I'm gonna call this inside of a Chinese clean room, I'm assuming. So pretty good quality mask. The ear loop is hurting me a little bit. Remember that this test is supposed to be 98% or better. So let's look at it. 96.518, 96.518. Quick disclaimer, there's a lot of variables in these types of testing. There's humidity, there's control. This was shipped halfway around the world. Who knows what happened to it? The fact that this got in at 96.5 for me, that's close enough to meet that 98% claim. I mean, look, I like masks to come in. We've seen it. If you've watched this channel before, you've seen things coming at 99. We had one that came in at 100%. So certainly it's possible. And it is interesting to me that when I put, these unbranded Amazon masks in here, sometimes I'll get 99s, and then I get, this branded NORDIWELL mask that has been through the 510K clearance process, and it's under that 98. But I'm not going to ding them wholeheartedly for missing that standard. That is the whole reason, though, why we want to make things here in the United States. It's really hard for the FDA to, police this stuff. They cannot test every single box of masks on a machine like this when it comes in through the port. Just wouldn't make any sense. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this on our quest to test every single mask in the world. If you like this, okay, it's like you and me. It's like there's 3 people in the world. My mom's the 3rd one. So welcome aboard, and I will catch you on that next test, which is tomorrow, by the way, at 10 a.m. I'll see you there.